Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GALA token. In my previous video, I was showing you how the price line of GALA formed a bearish pennant, and after breaking out the bearish pennant, we had a very nice rally, and after that, the price line formed another falling wedge on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Right now, a few hours ago, the price line has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge finally on the 4-hourly time frame, and I'll show you the targets and that move as well. Let me show you my previous analysis that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and that was this falling wedge, and this was a very small time frame, hourly time frame chart, and this falling wedge, by the way, also was visible on the 4-hourly time frame. And the price line broke out this resistance, and I set my targets as per this the target of the falling wedge. That is the tail of this falling wedge, and after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well and even moved beyond the targets I've defined as per this falling wedge. And after that, the price line formed another harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that I have recently shared for my members at the Patreon here, and I've shared this move on 14th of October. And let me show you this move as well, because this is also playing very important role for the next bullish reversal, the harmonic reversal guardrail move. And this is the chart, and you can see this guardrail move is formed on the 12-hourly time frame. The buying starts from 8.6 cents and goes to 7.6 cents, and the sell targets as were the harmonic Fibonacci sequence of this guardrail starts from 10 cents and goes to 11.56 cents. Now I'm just playing the chart, and you can see that the price line is still moving in the buying zone. Even it is moved a little bit up from the buying zone, and previously it also moved up and went very close to this sell target, but did not hit this sell target and move back again. So this move is still due, and we can expect that soon the price line will hit this sell target. Now on the same 4-hourly time frame chart, the price line has also formed this falling wedge that I was showing you in my previous video. And you can see that the price line started the formation of this wedge on 3rd of October. It was moving very well, and previously we had this the bearish pennant. Now previously it was behaving like a falling wedge. You can see it was the shape of this pattern was like this, but it is quite squeezed. You can see that the movement is quite squeezed, therefore it has changed from falling wedge to a bearish pennant. And the recent swing low before the breakout, that is approximately at 8.1 cents, can be used as a stop loss, and you can see that it is also a very strong support. Previously it has worked as a strong support here and here as well, and here, and right now before this breakout, the price line again used this level as a support and broke out the resistance of this falling wedge. Now the next targets I've defined as per the different resistance levels, the upcoming resistance levels. The first target can be 9.3, the second target can be 10.7, and third and final target can be 11.85. But I'm expecting that during this rally, during this move, the price line can even set a new all-time high as well. If I switch to the daily time frame, then you can see even on the daily time frame, this big bearish pennant is also visible, and the price line is out of this resistance of the bearish pennant. Even on the daily time frame, this breakout is also very clear, even on the daily time frame, not only on the 4-hourly and on the 12-hourly time frame chart. Therefore, I'm expecting a very big rally now after this breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.